Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the quick action task on the Edge panel. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can set up a custom shortcut for tasks like calling, messaging, taking a video, or taking a screenshot. You can do this all by using this Edge panel. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on Settings, scroll down until you see Display, then scroll down again until you see the Edge panels. From here, switch this on, then tap on Panels. From here, find the taskbar and make sure you enable this. Now tap on Edit, and then go ahead and choose from all these available tasks. So you can add detailed calendar inputs, search for calendars, you can take a picture, add alarms, world clock, stopwatch, timer, and there's a long list of all actions which are available on this quick action task. Now press Home once you're done. Now on the home screen, you're going to go ahead and bring down the Edge panel. Go ahead and swipe left until you see your quick action panel, which is right here. Now here you can go ahead and take a screenshot. You can go ahead and take a video, or you can go ahead and add an alarm or a timer. So this basically boosts your productivity and saves time with actions that are always a swipe away. So there you go, guys. That is how to set up quick action task on your Edge panel.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.